In this video, we are going to talk about how to install the SAP GUI on a Windows machine. The specific version of GUI we are going to talk about is version 7.2. So this is SAP version 7.2. Okay. Now you download that version of the software and then unzip it to whatever folder you like, and then you go inside. This is the first level of folder. Go inside again and go into press 1 folder, and then go into the GUI folder, and then go into Windows folder, Win32, and click on Setup All. Okay, you can view the path here. This is where you have unzipped the file, and then you went to the following folder structure. Okay, so once you go there, click on Setup All, and then it's a very simple wizard based setup. Just click on Next. Select the first option. Just select the first option if you're using SD or MM or ABAP modules. If you want to practice on BW or any other advanced MySAP modules, you might have to select other options, but for now the first one is good enough. So make sure you have enough space, and then click on Next, and then it will take a couple of minutes before it installs the GUI, and once it's done, you just have to click on Finish. It won't take long, as you're seeing, it's pretty fast. I'm sure it takes less than a minute or a minute and a half. So let's wait it out. Alright, and here we are, done. So close it, go to your start menu, click on Programs, and click on SAP Frontend, and then click on the Logon. So your Logon pad will open, which is the same as this Logon pad window that SAP already creates on your desktop. Now in the Connections section, just click on the new icon. This is the new icon, okay, just in case. This is the new icon, and then make sure you have selected the Connections section. Okay, now click on Next, and there are 3 things that are really important in order for you to set up a connection. The first one being the application server. So you will be given access to an application server, say some 4-digit numbers like 100 dot something, and then there will be an instance number, and then there will be a system ID, which is a 2-digit number, and that's all you have to enter. These details will be given to you by your SAP hosting provider. Take that info, and the first field over here is just a description. So it just says, okay, SAP, or you give whatever name you like. You can give your name or whatever. Application server, instance number, system ID. For example, system ID could be something like 00, and so instance number could be something like 00. System ID is generally a 3-character ID, like C11, C12, or VAN, and the application server will be something like 100.121. Whatever be that number that has been given to you. Okay, don't put in this number, put in some number that has been given to you by your hosting provider. Alright, and then click on Next, click Finish. You're done. Okay, so here we have the connection setup. Now in order to actually connect to that system, just select it and then click on log on. If the details that you have entered are incorrect, then the system will say that it's not able to connect to the SAP server. In this case it will not be able to, because we know that this is a wrong number, right? So make sure you enter the right number. If you want to edit the connection, again just select the connection and click on the edit button, and you can go here and then put in the right application server, the right instance number, right system ID, and then click OK. Okay, now we have put in the correct details, so select that and then click on log on. You'll see the log on screen. Make sure that the client you're logging on to is 800, because this is the test client with tons of data. Use your ID that's been given to you, and then the password, and then click enter, and that's it, you're on. Okay, over here there are a couple of configuration or presets that you have to do. This is a 7.2 system, so I'm going to talk about 7.2 version of the GUI. The steps in the 7.1 version or any version before that are slightly different. Okay, but the intent is what I'm trying to get at here. Now the first thing that you have to do is click on this colored button and then click on options. Go to interaction design and then click on visualization and interaction. Select this and select this and click apply, click OK. Okay, you have to select and click these two check marks under visualization and interaction of the interaction design section, and then click OK. This is the first thing that you have to do. The second thing is go to extras and settings. Make sure you select display technical names. Okay, those should be your basic presets. If you want to just go here and set this to transaction, that would be awesome, because if you execute a transaction, let's say creation of a sales order, right, you'll have the transaction listed here, so you know that you are working on a particular transaction. All right, so that's setting up and installing and configuring the GUI, including the presets. Thank you very much.